Hello teachers and friends, today I will demonstrate an experiment about the Archimedes Principle. So this is the setup for the experiment. This is the spring balance and the weight and water in the container. Okay, so the weight of the object in air is 4.65 newtons. Okay, now we manipulate the volume of the water displaced by 40, 80, 120, 160 and 200. See, as we can see, this the scale is like this, so we put it to 20 because we have two of the cylinders, so it's going to be 40. Okay, first we put it at 40. Okay, we can see the reading at the spring on the spring balance. We go to 40. I mean 80. Now we're 120. One 60. And 200. Okay. I did this experiment before, so this is the data that I got. So the weight of the weight in air is 4.65 for all of them. So when there's 40 centimeters cubic displaced, the spring reading is 4.5 and the buoyant force 0.5. When it's 80 for the water displaced, the spring reading is 3.6 and the buoyant force is 1.05. 120 water displaced, 3.15 spring reading and the buoyant force is 1.5. Water displaced at 160, spring reading 2.6 and the buoyant force is 2.05. And then the water displaced 200, so the spring reading is 2.1 and the buoyant force is 2.55. So from this data we got we can plot a graph, buoyant force versus against water displaced. Okay, the y-axis is buoyant force and the x-axis is volume of the water displaced. So here we got the graph. So we can conclude that when the volume of water displaced increase, the buoyant force also increase. That's all. Thank you.